Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. Today we are watching some questions in here. Listen carefully and pay attention. Which Indian research institution is to set up Dr. F.C. Kohli Center of Excellence for Research? Option A, Chennai Mathematical Institute. So we will watch explanation. Chennai Mathematical Institute is a premier research and education institute which was founded in 1989. It was granted university status in 2006. The institute is set to establish Dr. F.C. Kohli Center of Excellence for Advanced Research in Mathematical and Computing Science. Dr. Fakir Chand Kohli was the founder and first CEO of Tata Consultancy Services and considered the father of Indian IT industry. So the option A is the correct answer. India's first ever driverless train operations has been inaugurated in which metro rail service? Option A, Lucknow Metro. Option B, Chennai. Option C, Delhi Metro. Option D, Cochin Metro. Option C, Delhi Metro. Here we will watch explanation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated India's first ever driverless train operations on Delhi Metro. The Magneta line, Chanakpuri West Botanical Garden will have the first driverless operation, fully operational national common mobility card service was also launched on the Airport Express line, under which anyone carrying the RuPay debit card can travel on the Airport Express line using that card. So the option C is the correct answer. Next question. What is the name of the online event launched by Agriculture Ministry to promote innovations in agriculture? Option B, Agri India Hackathon. Option B is the correct answer. Now we will watch explanation. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the virtual Agri India Hackathon 2020 in New Delhi. It is the largest virtual gathering to organize dialogues and promote innovations in agriculture. This year, the event organized by Pusa Krishi, ICAR, IARI, ICAR, and Development of Agriculture Corporation and Farmers Welfare. 24 best innovations will be awarded 1 lakh cash award and incubation support. Next question. What is the cap imposed on trans fatty acids TFA in oils and fats for the year 2021? Option C, 3%. Now we'll watch explanation. India's Food Regulator, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has capped the quantum of trans fatty acids TFA in oils and fats to 3% for 2021. The cap is further reduced to 2% for 2022. Trans fat are found to increase the risk of heart attacks and death from coronary heart disease. The WHO has called all its members to eliminate trans fat by 2023. So the option C is correct answer. Last question. What is Khadi Prakritik, which was making news recently? D, Pant. Pant is the correct answer. Option D is the correct option. Khadi Prakritik paint is a first of its kind paint product which has been developed by the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. It is an eco-friendly, non-toxic paint which is also claimed to have antifungal and antibacterial properties. The paint is based on cow dung as its main ingredient and has been certified by Bureau of Indian Standards. So we have watched some GK quiz and answers here. Namaskar.